If you're of a certain age, you probably remember the day when getting a story in your local newspaper or TV was about the best publicity that you could get. And not to say that both aren't still very good, especially as TV and newspaper become multimedia companies by expanding onto the web. But today, I want to help you expand your public relations into true multimedia opportunities. Stay tuned. Hey, Colin here, and welcome to another week of the Patient Attraction Podcast. My company, SmartBox Web Marketing, has developed an industry-leading patient attraction system to attract more patients and better patients to our clients through web marketing. Now, usually I record these podcasts for do-it-yourself dentists who want to manage their own marketing and those who have a firm but want to be more informed about what they're paying for. Most of these podcasts don't apply to our clients because we handle all their marketing for them from top to bottom. But today's podcast applies to our clients and not yet clients. The one thing we do not do a lot of is public relations. We don't pitch stories to the mainstream press, niche publications, or bloggers. We write press releases, and we do syndicate these through a large network, and a lot of them get picked up by the media, but that isn't our primary goal with doing press releases. So today, I want to help every dentist in our audience step up his or her PR game and start creating some real buzz about your practice. Now, the best advice I can give you is to focus locally. If you're in a small town, that's pretty easy. Local means your town and maybe even some of the towns around you. But if you're in a large metro area, local doesn't mean your whole city. It likely means your neighborhood and some of the neighborhoods around you. Here's a couple tips for building local PR in your market area. First, let's do the obvious. Get your patients talking about you online. This can be through reviews, Facebook, Twitter posts, blog shares. Encourage your patients to check in and stay with you on social media and share their experiences wherever they can. Second, participate in your local clubs, events, and groups. This can be as simple as sponsoring T-ball teams, joining the local Kiwanis Club or your Chamber of Commerce, or participating in a local health fair. It gets your name out there into your community and shows that you're an active participant. Third, follow your local news and blog sites and contribute as frequently as possible to dentistry. This is a good way to create new contacts and get backlinks to your website. A lot of reporters out there are looking for an expert that they can call on when a dental need pops up in the news, somebody that they can interview to provide expertise about that topic. Fourth, be accessible to your local media. Never be too busy for an interview. It's going to bring you a lot of credibility. Ignore calls from the crackpot with a blog about alien abduction, but respond to the PR staffer at the local hospital who's doing a blog about dental health. Now, I hope these tips will help you get your name out there in the community and boost your local PR, because it will, and you'll see a lot of new patients come from it. Come back tomorrow. I want to take a look at the kinds of employees who help your practice and the kinds that can cripple your practice. Until then, keep moving forward.